All right. So this one, the tricky part is none of this makes any sense. Like if you're just speaking English, if you're not a big Harry Potter fan. But I'm gonna just write it out here. Galleons are each worth 17 sickles, and sickles are worth 29 knuts, and knuts are the bottom rung. Okay, so it helps to have that vision. And what we're going to do is return a piece of text like this. And this is, I've got some tests right now. If we run the test, then it says 523 knuts and then nothing, because right now I'm returning nothing. So let's, instead of returning nothing, make a string temp equals empty quotes. So that's not a quote with a space, that's empty quotes. And then let's say return temp. So now we know we're going to be returning something, and we're going to add what we're going to return into this temp variable. And I'm going to make a variable called galleons, int galleons equals, and we're going to say it's the number of newts, what got sent over here, divided by, and now we're going to do parentheses here because I don't want to figure it out, 17 times 29. That's how many nuts are in a galleon. How do I know? It's right here. And if it was dollars equals 4 quarters and a quarter are equal to 5 nickels, and then I wanted to know how many nickels are in a dollar, we would do 5 times 4. Anyway, it's the same process. So I get it. It's funky. But this, by doing regular division, we find out how many whole galleons there are, and then we remove the galleons from our mix. So we say newts equals newts divided by, modulo this number. And again, I'm going to live a happy life not ever knowing that number, but you have to have it in parentheses. So now we've taken out all the galleons, and now we're going to say int sickles equals, and this is knuts divided by 29. And then knuts equals knuts modulo 29. And then, and now we're ready to go. So we can say temp plus equals, well, at this point, just equals. And we're going to say the format is, we need galleons, silver sickles, brown nuts. So I'm going to copy all this stuff, and then we're going to just get it done. So in quotes, so we've got galleons plus golden galleons. And then we do \n to go to a new line, close quote, plus sickles plus, just did a backspace, silver sickles, and a \n, and close the quotes, and a plus, and then I'm backspacing. Another, we need the newts plus quote on newts, and then we're returning. So there's lots of ways to do it, but this is one way to do it. And if I didn't break it, then here we go. We'll see. We should get the output that I got. I guess I wanted a blank line here, so let's go ahead and add that. I think I got the right numbers. It's 111 and then 24, 24. \n. How come that didn't? Oh, because I replaced it. I guess I'll do \n here, and then we'll change this to plus equals. And that adds it to the \n. 111, 24, 24, and we're done. So this is your code. I'll stretch this out so you can see, though you could do it in multiple lines, but there you go.